Okay, so in this video I'm just going to do a really quick introduction to the user interface on the Casiotone CTS-1. In later videos I'll be going over how to change different settings using the function key and different key combinations. But in this video I just want to get you started on how to select your main 28 panel voices. So button-driven interface, super easy to use. As you can see, there's some nice helpful backlighting as well. So a power button is there, volume knob, which is much preferable in my opinion than up and down volume buttons. That's the function button that you'll be using later on with key combinations to change different settings. That's the surround sound button where you can turn on the surround sound feature, which enables surround sound but only out of the speakers, not out of the headphone or audio out port. That's access to the simple recording feature that's on this keyboard, which is a one-track, one-song recorder. The metronome is there. Then here's the category buttons for your different voice categories. So you've got piano, electric piano 1, electric piano 2, organ, keyboard, synth, and others. And then within each of these 7 categories, there's 4 tone variations. So you've got standard, advanced, modern, and vintage. Then you're going to see there's a 5th category as well, which is tone memory. This is how the registrations work on the CTS-1. There's 7 registration slots available. So you basically save your 7 registrations to the different categories in the tone memory slot. So super easy way to use and access your registrations. So I'm not going to demo the voices here, but just so you can see as I scroll through these. That's the main piano voice. The advanced voice, the modern voice, and then that's the vintage voice. And I've actually already programmed a registration into the tone memory slot on the piano voice, and that's the split bass and piano. So super handy. And then you can see as I go over to electric piano and start back over again with the standard voice, etc. And then you can cycle through all the different electric pianos. Now, one really helpful thing that I did was print out a couple of pages from the user manual. The first one, I printed them on kind of stiff paper, so they're going to be a little bit sturdy and easy to prop up, that type of thing. First one's the tone list, so you've got all the tones on the piano. So if you do need to look up tones from the manual, it's easier to do this with this card than it is sifting through the manual. And then this is basically the setting item list. So this is everything that the keyboard can do when you're pressing the function button with the different key combinations. And I've got some notes on here, as you can see. So just as a quick example, if I want to transpose the keyboard up or down, I use the A flat key to go up and the G flat key to go down. And I can press them both together to reset back to where the default tuning is. So for example, I'm in default tuning now. If I hold down function and hit A flat, you can see I went up. And then G flat, back down again. Let's say I've gone up a bunch of octaves, and I forget where I am. Then I could hold down function, press both of those, and I'm back down to standard tuning again.